How to turn off secure storage on Messenger. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to turn off secure storage on Messenger. Turning secure storage off means your chats won't be stored remotely anymore. You'll only be able to see them on the device where you disable secure storage. So to turn off secure storage on Messenger, first open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Storage. Under Manage Secure Storage, you'll find the option to turn off secure storage. Tap on Turn off secure storage. A pop-up will appear explaining what turning off secure storage means. Tap Continue to confirm. And this is how to turn off secure storage on Messenger. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off secure storage on Messenger. If you have any questions about turning off your secure storage on Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.